Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to unpin your My AI on Snapchat. So just open your Snapchat application on your device. Then here, click on the message icon. As you can see, your My AI is at the top corner of your messages. So since the unpin option is not here, we'll have to tap on our profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Okay, now click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, now scroll down and look for the option, the I need help. Okay, now search for My AI and pin. Okay, now click on the how do I pin or remove my AI from my chat feed. Okay, so just click on that. Okay, from here, there here is a step on how to do that, but since we don't need that, just click on the X icon and then choose the reason about your concern, then click on contact us. Okay, so you'll have to submit a request. So just don't forget to message them the things that you need, because you'll have to wait for days or maybe a week so that they can process your concern. So that's it. That's how you can unpin your My AI in your chat feed. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.